Hi everyone, welcome to the video. We are going to solve a very easy question, which is find the highest number. In this question, we are given an array and we have to return the highest value, I mean the max value from this array. So there can be many possible ways to do this question. Okay, let us see example one. So we have array with 11 elements and out of which this element 6 is having the highest face value. So we'll return 6. So first of all, I will tell you two methods which I won't be doing, but I will tell you they're very easier. So either you can sort the array and return the last element, that will do the job. Or since we are doing in Python, if you can return the max of array, return max of the array, and max of array, that will do the job. This will give you the correct answer. But this will not help you because if you see the time complexity of the question, it is given log n, which suggests that you need to apply something similar to binary search. So this is an indication that you need to apply something related to binary search, which is why we won't be doing any sort operation or this max thing. Okay, we'll just apply the binary search. So first, two variables, low and high. Low starts from 0 and high having value of length of array -1. That is what we do in binary search. Then again, while length less than low less than high, then we calculate the mid value. The mid is low plus high minus low by 2. So we calculated mid also. This up till here it was similar to it was exactly same as binary search. Now we will do just single check. Now if now mid plus 1, now mid plus 1 is less than array. Now mid plus 1 value is less than length of array, which means we are within the bound, and now array of mid is less than array of mid plus 1. Array of mid is less than mid plus 1. But we need to find the max element. If the array of mid is less than mid plus 1, which means we have still not received the element which we needed to find. Cool. In that case, we will increment the value of low to the right side of the mid, because up till here, so in the question it is given either it will be strictly increasing or strictly decreasing. So if mid is less than just consecutive value, the further left right value, in that case we'll need to move forward in right direction. Okay, now if it is not, if mid is not same, okay, in that case high will become mid, because okay, which means we need to move in the left side because it is going to decrease in the right side, so we'll move to the left side. Now, at the end we'll come out of the loop when low becomes equal to or more than high. So in that case, our answer will be array of low, because as soon as this value breaks and this condition breaks, low will become equal to the maximum value. Okay, that is what binary search taught us. Let us submit and check the efficacy. As you can see, it does the job pretty effortlessly. It took very less amount of time. So that's the beauty of binary search approach login. So this was still simple solution, but not as simple as that the two approaches which I told you in the beginning. But fine, it taught you a binary search. Thank you. Have a nice day.